iVYBZ TV, brought to you by FAIM. Yeah, man, I would say iVYBZ, Reggae Riddim. Oh, organic are you on the reggae beat? Sing and win, prizes them sweet. Well, when I say Reggae Riddim live, featuring Mr. Vibes, you know the check, you know the style. Check, 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 check.
No, we not run. No, we not run. No, we not run from Babylon no more. Full time we stand firm and fight till we won. No, we not run. No, we not run. No, we not run. No, we can't run. No, no, we not run. No, we can't run. No, we not run from Babylon no more. We have to fight till we won. No, we not run. Nah, nah.
If you know, coming on my head, Mr. That a Tafari and this a Nashe and you're iVYBZ TV.
Yes,
sir. By faimhub.com. The one stop home for independent artists. We're serious about taking them things to a different or a higher level. You know, independently that is. Yeah,
yes,
so iVYBZ TV. Yeah, man. This is a platform for everything iVYBZ. And that's why we are kicking it off with a vibes competition called Reggae Riddim, Sing and Win. Tell them about it, Tapar.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. You don't know. iVYBZ by FAIM. Yes, well, this competition is Irie. And, you know, I want you all to just come in and vibes with I and I. And let's develop a thing. See? We are here to strengthen the item and let's work together and put out some decent things. See? Well, I want you guys to log in to faimhub.com and check out the vibration. Send us some video clips or a video clip of you vibing to an original song on a reggae rhythm. See? Any reggae rhythm you choose. Just vibes to something organically or ital, on an ital style, for a chance to win one of FAIM's great giveaway prizes. See? Yeah, man, and you know, for a chance to also win the grand prize, make sure you log in and check out the vibration on faimhub.com and you know, just kind of look into as what you need to kickstart and get going. See? This month, well, we're starting off at November. Yeah, man. And just to give you a hint, you know, if you want just kind of know, just on the top, just on the surface, to participate, you need to subscribe to faimhub.com or subscribe to FAIMhub on Instagram and log in to faimhub.com and subscribe to FAIMhub Standard EPK to participate in this free, if you want to call it free giveaway, but you have to sing to it.
The basic EPK free, and you can't, we don't believe in having a competition and then tell you for pay. You know?
Yeah.
We don't believe in that. It's a competition, you get something, so we're not going to tell you for pay if you get something. So, you know, it's a competition and you have to win something which will help you to move the music forward. Because we are reggae ambassadors, eh? And we want to help the thing go forward. So send us something with your vibes organically on a beat and stand a chance to win some great prizes. Yeah,
man, definitely. It's a positive and relaxed atmosphere. You just have to bring your style and your vibration to VYBZ TV and make your vibes in. That's what it's all about at the moment. And also, you know, the development of your professional standpoint as far as being an artist and managing your image, your appearance, and your back end as far as the business is concerned. So, yeah, man.
And as an independent artist yourself, to Tafai, I've been signing up for even EPK. It's not even like I wouldn't even consider if me's an artist and me see something like that, that wouldn't even be a requirement for me to sign up. For me enter. Because when I just sign up right away, something else would have to be my requirement because the EPK is necessary for any independent artist who endeavor to go forward, don't it?
Yeah, and it's funny, we are speak on behalf of us already knowing that you know what an EPK is. It's a electronic press kit, basically giving you a short breakdown of who you are, what you do, and what kind of music you have out there, by your information, where you come from and things.
Your journey, like it's like you're recording your journey to your EPK.
Definitely. So this is very important. You need these things, and sometimes with the concentration of building or working on your craft, you don't pay attention to these vital points that you need for to keep your career moving forward professionally. So are the vibes. Okay, tune in, subscribe.
It's really beneficial. It's really beneficial.
Yeah, man, definitely beneficial. So for those who don't know, and we know most, if not that.
Well, if them know, you don't have to explain it, because if they know what EPK is, they would know how important an EPK is, especially if you say, boy, you want to turn this thing into a career, and you want, because every freelancer have something for show record of what them capable of doing.
Yeah, so again, so if you know,
it's like a portfolio of your artistic journey, so to speak. If you can say that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, if you know, you know. If you don't know, you know now. And saying if you have one on a level. So that's the first step in participating in this Sing and Win scene. So make sure again you check us out, faimhub.com, sign in and sign up for the FAIM standard EPK. And let's get this on the road, scene. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and check us out on the social platforms. So we are on Instagram, we're on Facebook, and we are also on YouTube. And, where a lot of communication will be taking place. Those platforms will be getting more active over time as the competition goes, because a lot of communication between the participants and FAIM will be taking place right there.
True. So as you know, subscribe, like, share, and make we keep it up.
I just vibes it out there. Guys, trust me, it's about nice.
Then the most man, I vibes.
And because Rasta night, it's about extra nice, guys. Rasta make it nice.
Well, we bring the spice, which is right. There's a variety in the spice.
Yes, so. Rasta make it nice, but the more make it sweeter. The more make it sweeter.
And then the Rasta more, man.
Yes, we're more rich Rasta. What do you mean? We must know roots, man.
True.
We talk about roots, We know the roots. By the way, I have a new tune come out.
We know the roots, so we'll boil the root and drink it.
Yes, y'all have in a data.
Yeah, talking about the I do have some new music coming. Matter of fact.
Jump a little piece of that now. Make them know we are come a little piece of that song there. A little piece of that song there where we soon touch road.
Yeah, there's a song called Who Dem A Pray. Matter of fact, it touched road already, but the video coming soon. So
we not talk that one day. We talk the next one. We don't touch. We nobody don't know about yet, but we know about that one day.
Oh, that one day.
Yeah.
That one day. Okay, that one day.
That's a little. You never say no. Just play the rhythm for the. Just play the strum it up on the guitar. So you don't have to sing out the words to let out the secret. Just strum it because am I song that I don't know when you write the song there. But you see that song there, I mean you write the song there.
Okay.
So just strum it. You don't have to give them too much. Just strum it to the first couple of chords for the guitar.
Alright, make we touch something as well.
Oh, you mean after I saw we know, so you're not forward, One of them day me I gonna learn to play guitar. One of them day I gonna learn to play. If I'm a bucket list with the drum,
I bucket list.
Yeah, with the drum and one next one a keyboard. I'm gonna learn to play a drum, a guitar, and and I just never just get up one day and just can play them.
Yo, no man. Well, all right. Guess what? I give you. Me even not give you a guitar. Me just give you a cappella. See? We are giving it like this. I love my roots, the hearta. Wow. Love. I love my roots, Empress. Yes. Love. I love my roots, the hearta. Wow. Yeah. Love. I love my roots, Empress. Yes. And I say, see, can you find the one of a kind? African, you're so fine. Yeah, so guess what? Stay tuned for that one. That coming soon. Seeing in the Christmas year probably or even earlier. Maybe you never know. Yeah. So,
so part of that. Must go with the energy.
Yeah, we have to go with the energy.
It's time. At that time, you think you feel it out there.
Yeah, man. So make sure you stay tuned, and as we would say with FAIM Hub, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment. And
yeah, man.
Let us know. Let I know.
Artists. If you know any independent artists, make sure that you alone don't know about FAIM and them don't know. That is selfish.
Yes,
so you
no,
make
definitely.
the next artist know about FAIM and the greatness that FAIM have for the independent artists.
Not true. So yeah, again, subscribe, like, share. We're emphasizing on that for sure, because it's a growth thing, see? So check out the vibration. Oh, and Tafari Watkis Music on Instagram. And
yeah, man.
Tafari Watkis Music.
Conscious music. Conscious music.
Not true, man. It's for the mind and the soul. Conscious music for the mind.
Conscious musician, yeah, man.
Then I guess them have some walking unconscious people, but
then of course they have unconscious. Then you have to balance.
Yeah, true. So conscious we bring the balance. So and you can't balance on one side. It have to balance one, too.
If you have to balance that, if it's on one side and a balance, unbalance that.
So balance music. See, so check out the vibration and make us continue the walk or the journey. See?
Yes, and walk in love, truth, peace, freedom, and justice. Righteousness we say every time. Reggae music, iVYBZ, faimhub.com. Reggae music ambassador. Peace out.
Who them a pray? Also man a hustle off it up on the grind. Cause Pitney have to feed. Who them a pray? Self-reliance I used to survive, man. Cause Gavin don't tell me. Who them a pray? Who them a pray? Work hard to get mines every day of the week. Also man a hustle off it up on the grind. Cause Pitney have to feed. Although you got your degree, nothing I want. You have to roll up your sleeve.